We live in an era where aggressive automotive styling usually hides a machine built for nothing tougher than a suburban commute. The modern Land Cruiser initially appears guilty of this exact trend, seeming to prioritize an elite, polished aesthetic over raw function. Look at it in its natural urban habitat. The imposing front grille and prominent badging integrate flawlessly into the glass and steel of the city. The sleek body curves and deep, mirror-like paint finish signal pure showroom luxury. The question is whether this pristine exterior represents an evolutionary betrayal of a rugged past or a masterfully engineered camouflage. The ancestors of this model were not designed for the suburbs. They were built entirely as uncompromising tools for survival. Those early machines relied on high-clearance frames and heavy-duty drivetrains to navigate the most hostile environments on Earth. That raw, comfortless utility stands in stark contrast to the sophisticated rear design and refined lighting of the current generation. But true legacy cannot be proven by sight alone. It is a structural promise that must be tested mechanically. Inside the cabin, engineers prioritize a concept known as isolation engineering. The goal is a serene, highly controlled environment. Meticulous interior detailing and climate-controlled seating act as a psychological shield against the chaos outside the glass. Drop below the luxury cabin line, however, and aggressive physical elements are hiding in plain sight. This specific diagram shows how deep, staggered tire blocks must geometrically align to physically interlock with loose, highly unstable terrain. The vehicle's luxury interior ensures human endurance, while that aggressive lower stance provides the physical weapon required for forward progression. Pushing a 5,000-pound vehicle down a paved highway generates immense kinetic energy. Sustaining that mass at high speeds requires strict aerodynamic stability and relentless power delivery. The moment the pavement ends, the vehicle must manage a sudden transition to unstable dynamics and unpredictable friction. Heavy mass hitting loose sand triggers a violent kinetic shock, instantly stripping away both surface grip and forward momentum. To maintain contact, the kinetic dynamic suspension physically alters its geometry, continuously absorbing those violent off-road shockwaves. The system succeeds through continuous, real-time mathematical adaptation to the terrain. The ultimate test of survival occurs at low speeds, in punishing environments like deep mud or heavily rutted earth. We can see an older generation 80 series surviving this exact type of brutal, uneven terrain. A heavy vehicle avoids sinking here through a hidden mechanism called torque distribution. This top-down view shows the drivetrain detecting slip. When the front left wheel loses grip in deep mud, the system prepares to intervene. It instantly reroutes rotational force away from the slipping wheel, sending it directly to the wheels with solid ground contact. Conquering extreme environments becomes an algorithmic puzzle of traction, proving that the luxury exterior conceals a calculating, tactical brain. When we bring the vehicle back under flawless studio lighting, the context shifts. That sleek design no longer reads as delicate. It reveals itself as functional armor. Vehicles capable of mastering this duality are becoming a dying breed in a market highly focused on cost-cutting. The industry often defines luxury through massive touchscreens and soft-touch materials, ignoring the engineering reality required for actual traversal. True luxury is the absolute, unhesitating freedom to cross any environment on the globe. A pristine exterior serves merely as clothing. The real power is knowing it operates as the ultimate disguise for an apex predator.